Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Riot client. Whenever trying to launch Valorant or any other game, you are getting the error Riot client not found. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, make sure that your system doesn't have any corrupted files, and if you have, go ahead and you need to fix those corrupted files. To do so, click on Start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator, type here a command sfc /scannow and hit the enter key. Now wait for this command to completely scanning the corrupted files in your PC. Once this command is completed, you need to proceed with second command, which is again opening the command prompt in admin mode, and this time type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restorehealth and then hit the enter key. Now once both these commands are completed, go ahead and restart your PC to make the changes taken place in your system. And once you restart your PC, go ahead, relaunch your Riot client to fix out the issue of Riot client not found. If this method doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the next step. Click on Start menu and type Riot client. Click on the option Open File Location. Again right click on it and choose the option Open File Location. Now you will find the option of Riot client services. Right click and choose the option Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Now here first of all, checkmark the option Run this program as an administrator. If you have checkmarked this particular option, Run this program in compatibility mode, make sure you uncheck it. Nextly is click on Change DPI settings, and here checkmark the option Override high DPI scaling behavior. Once you have done this, hit OK. Hit apply and OK button. Do the same with Valorant also. So again click on Start menu and type Valorant. Click on the option Open File Location. Right click, choose the option Properties, hit on Compatibility tab and checkmark the option Run this program as an administrator, and change high DPI settings and checkmark this option Override DPI scaling behavior. Once done, hit the OK button. Now go ahead, relaunch your Riot client to fix out the issue of Riot client not found. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Now here press the R key to find Riot client running in your PC. Just right click and choose the option End Task. Once you close the Riot client, click on this up arrow key in your system tray to make sure Riot client services are not running right over here. Now click on Start menu, type Riot. Now you need to choose the option Run as Administrator, and once you choose the option Run as Administrator, Riot client will start to launch and you will not encounter the error of Riot client not found. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here %local app data % and then hit the enter key. Here press the T key to find a folder with the name temp. Right click on it, click on the option Properties. Now here click on Security tab. Now here you need to add a group. So click on the option Edit, click on the option Add. Now hit Advanced and click on the option Find Now. Now here you need to find a user with the name Everyone. Double click to add it and choose the option OK. Now select Everyone, and under the permissions, make sure you give it a full control, and make sure the full control permission is given to all the users right over here, like system, your username and your administrators. Once full control is there, hit apply, click on the option Continue. Now go ahead, relaunch your Riot client, and this will completely fix out the issue of Riot client not found. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.